Hello everyone, I'm Divya, your math facilitator, here with an important update for TS students. Okay, so what is the update? And for AP students also, this video is equally important. Okay, so firstly for TS students, you have a very important update right now that your schools will remain closed for summer vacation till from 27th April to 31st May. So which means you will not have your online classes also in this period. Okay. So this order holds good for inter colleges also. So which means all the students who are promoted to your intermediate plus one or 11th class, you will also have summer vacation in this 1 month period. Okay, so no online classes is the important point. And for AP students, as of now, government is very strictly, thinking of to conduct your examinations. So as of now, we don't have any information regarding what would happen next, right? So still we have to wait for the information. Okay. So there are many opinions like the board exams should not be conducted, right? So even we are thinking the same because we don't want our students to risk their life, but still, so let's wait for the government information. Okay, so let's wait for the government to give update. But as per as our opinion, so we want the safety of our students, which is the first top priority, which we are thinking of. Okay. So now the important thing in this video I'm going to cover is I'm going to tell you what are the do's and what are the don'ts you have to do for your summer vacation, and also I'm going to tell you what are the future plans of the channel. Okay, so you already know bridge course have started, but then the frequency of the videos which I plan, I'm not able to give it because even here we have lot of cases, COVID cases in and around my house. So I'm not really able to concentrate completely on this because I do have a small baby and I'm not able to leave him completely to this environment and do the work. So there is a hindrance of the work, I understand, but still I'm planning my best. I'm doing my best to give you the best content. Okay. Yeah. So I'm planning. So in such a way that you will utilize this 1 month summer vacation in a rightful manner. Okay. So I'll tell you what are the plans in the next few minutes. Right. So firstly, let me discuss what are the do's. Now, before telling you what the channel is planning for you, let me tell you what you have to plan for yourself. You need to plan for the next academic year, and to help you plan for next academic year, I am with you. Okay, so I'll tell you what you will be getting in the channel also. You need to plan your career. Okay, you need to have a healthy diet because to do these two, your health is really important. As of now, health is really important. So you need to have a healthy diet, proper rest, and you need to take care of yourself so that you can achieve something in the later stage of life, right? And you need to increase your skill test. So having these and planning your career, including along with that, you need to improve your skill set because there are lakhs of students who are planning their career. There are lakhs of students who are promoted to the next class. And also, suppose if you are in your intermediate, there are lakhs of students who will be giving your coaching NEET, IIT examinations, MCET examination. So out of those lakhs of students, only few are selected, right? So only few get their uh, respective colleges or respective stream. So why is it happening? Because they have an extra skill set than you. Now, what is this extra skill set? How are they getting? They are not someone who have a boon. They are not coming with extra powers. It's just that they are working more on themselves. Okay, so here I'll be helping you how to work more on yourself. So in this one month, we are going to enhance ourselves, make ourselves a better person. Okay, and what are the don'ts? Just because you have a summer vacation, just because all the classes class 1 to 10 actually you are promoted to the next level class, so avoid parties. Just because you are promoted, you don't have to party right now. This is not the time. And avoid procrastination. Okay, so you are at your home, you may feel that this is a movie which is very interesting. This is something which is very interesting. Let me watch this web series. It will eat 7 8 hours of your day. So don't do anything which will make you to procrastinate your work. Okay, so I'll give you simple tips of how to avoid procrastination also, and how to stay productive all the day. Okay, since you are at your home, there is no one to monitor you. Definitely all these are the hurdles which will be you will be facing in your path. Okay, and how to avoid wasting of time. Okay, so you procrastinate, and what do you do next? You waste all the time. Okay, so what to do so that you'll not waste any of the time, and how to schedule your day productively. So all these things we will be learning. All right, so Yes. And before moving on to the next thing, suppose if there is any student who really want to plan your career, as I told you, there are lakhs of students who are really, promoted to the next class, next level, but there will be only few who will be, achieving success, only few who will be selected for the competitive level examinations. So now why this is happening? Because those students are, planning their studies in a structured way, right? And they have someone who is mentoring them. They have a timetable of themselves. So all these you can get, by an academy. Here on an academy, if you're really planning, if you're really serious of your studies, then this is the best offer I can say you can have for yourself right now. Okay, so if you take a 12-month subscription, suppose you're in your class 11, okay, you can take a 12-month subscription. That is for entire class 11 you can take a subscription. So you will get 2 months extra subscription free. Okay, so 12 months plus 2 months extra you will get free. So you can plan your career accordingly. Now, if you take a 18-month subscription, you will get 3 months free. If you take a 2 years wala subscription, you'll get 4 months free. Now, this is only for the first 1,000 learners. So if you're really interested and if you're really, planning hard for your career, and if you're thinking of how to, kickstart your learning, how to make your timetable, how you can, plan your studies accordingly, then this is the best offer which you can get. And don't worry, the subscription prices are also very, very, very low for all the subjects. Every Monday you will have new batch. Every Monday, that means every week you have a new batch which comes up, and you'll have all syllabus the complete syllabus coverage you will have. And you'll have top educators who will be teaching you. Okay, so all India level top educators will be teaching you. Not only this, there is no limit on, number of batches which you can join. Every Monday new batches start, so you can join how many ever batches you want, and you'll have a choice of choosing your educator from whom you want to learn. Because every learner has a unique learning style, every educator has a unique teaching style. So if your frequencies match, then the output will be more, it will be very high, right? So you have an option, and you will have live test, you'll have daily quiz, daily MCQ test, and also you'll have subjective test. Okay, subject test means like how you are writing in your board exam, because writing practice, students are missing a lot on writing practice. Okay, so in the final examinations you don't know how to write. Okay, a lot of practice you need to write again. So you will have a writing practice here. So many things, it's like overall complete coverage, and for a very, very, very minimum cost. And about this, you'll get a discount if you apply the code GD10. So in whichever subscription you are taking, you'll get a 10% additional discount. Okay, along with this free, right? So do, if you have any doubts, you can also talk with your expert right now. Okay, so you have the option also. So all you have to do is download an Academy Learning app. I'll just give you the link in the description. Download it. If you feel you have any doubts, you can talk to the expert and plan accordingly, right? And now in our channel, so you will have a separate video on stream selection. In the next 2-3 days, you will have a video on stream selection. You will have a video on is coaching necessary or not. Okay, so you'll have a video on this also, and you will have a video on timetable for class 9, 10, and 11. So basically this year we'll be concentrating on three classes, 9, 10, and 11. So complete package you will have for 9, 10, and 11. Okay, so none of the classes will be ignored. Completely we'll be planning for 9, 10, and 11. And every week, this is something extra, something special which you are going to get in the channel. So as I told you, you are going to improve your skill set, right? So how are you going to improve? Every week you'll have a reasoning class, every week you'll have a current affairs class, and every week you'll have an English class. So these three are really important. Wherever you go, whichever stream you choose, whatever you do, these three will come into picture whenever you're in the competitive level. So these three will be provided for you for completely free on the channel, and their weekly classes. And also we'll be starting next academic year concepts. As you know, back to basics series is already going on. Every day you're getting a video, and worksheets I have started posting it, so please do check the Telegram channel. And also next academic year concepts we shall start in the month of May, right? In the next week, right? So I hope I have cleared everything for you. And my agenda is, you should never waste your time. Okay, so plan accordingly, be safe, be healthy. Okay, so situations are worse, you need to take care of yourself, right? So be supportive for each one around you. Okay, and do share the channel with everyone. Let everyone make complete utilization of the channel, right? So for all your seniors, juniors, if you're class 10, do share it with your juniors also, and let them know that something worthful is happening in the channel, right? So I'll meet you all in the next video with all the upcoming videos to come up which are very useful for you. Okay, so do like the video, subscribe the channel, and share this video to all your friends. Let everyone know that we are doing. Okay, chalo then. Let's meet again tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.